Good day, everyone. I'm Kia Distoyo of Hesan Futec for NIS. Today, I will share about the topic success and failure. From the webinar to Ms. Revi Abilarde. Success and failure are subjective terms, meaning they can mean different things to different people. Here's a simple way to understand them. Success, achieving a goal when you set out to do something and you accomplish it. That's success. It could be a big goal like graduating college or a smaller goal like finishing a puzzle. Personal growth success can also be about learning and becoming a better version of yourself.